The people fighting against drug use tell us there seems to be no end in sight for this epidemic as it becomes a part of daily life for these communities. A former addict turned advocate tells us that for him, drug use was as routine as getting the newspaper from the front porch.
And my house is fixed.
Drugs ruled Jonathan Martin's life for more than 20 years.
Drug use or drug dealing or that whole criminal lifestyle for us was glorified, so drug use was nothing.
It was his weakness.
Started using drugs, smoking weed, and then graduating to other higher drugs around 15 years old.
Today, Jonathan works at God Touch Milwaukee to help others in a similar situation. He says drug users know the danger they face, but for a lot of them, it's worth the risk.
The fear of going through withdrawal is so much more scarier than facing a mother, a father, a brother, a friend.
Even if it could kill them. In 2017, we hit a record high 401 deaths in Milwaukee County. Last year, 384 people died of drug overdose. The medical examiner's office says this will likely be another record year, with 255 overdose deaths so far in 2019. They suspect another 80 deaths were also related to drug use. Sarah Schreiber is a toxicologist for Milwaukee County. She says her office is seeing stronger additives in the drugs.
Were they unknowingly ingesting multiple different kinds of drugs? That part is what's unknown to us. That needs to come from an evaluation of the actual material that was ingested or information that we can no longer get from the decedent.
In an open records request, the I-Team found more than 700 people died from a combination of 2 or more drugs.
As potency increases in the chemicals that we have available to us on the street, certainly less of that is needed to cause harm or injury, if not death.
As drugs get stronger, it becomes harder to break the cycle of addiction. Jonathan Martin says he finally made the decision to get clean for his kids.
I knew that I didn't want them to live the lifestyle that I had lived, and all the pain and heartache and destruction that I had seen, I didn't want for them.
If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, we have provided a number of resources on our website. Just click on this story. And later tonight at 10, a silent struggle slipping into the public, overdoses at your local park, nearby gas station, even local restaurants.